Transfer. Transfer is a lateral shift causing movement of individuals from one position to another, usually without involving any marked change in responsibilities, skills needed, or compensation. Purpose of transfers: to meet change requirements arising out of change in quantity of production, fluctuation of work requirements, changes in organizational structure, introduction of new lines of production, dropping of existing product lines, reallocation of or reduction in workforce due to shortage or surplus of staff. Such transfers are called production transfers, flexible transfers, or organizational transfers. Transfers may be effected to meet an employee's own request. It may be because of poor relationship with co-workers, no opportunity for advancement, or family circumstances. Such transfers are called personal transfers. To adjust the workforce of one plant with that of another, particularly when one plant is facing downsizing or closure. This is done on humanitarian grounds. To help employees work according to their convenience, from night shift to day shift, from first shift to second shift. These transfers are called shift transfers. To penalize employees, a troublesome employee is shifted to a remote area where he cannot cause trouble. Transfers are used as a penal measure in government organizations. Transfer for maintenance of tenure. An employee holds a job for a fixed tenure, but his services are transferred from one department to another within the tenure period to give the employee job variety and prevent involvement in politicking. Transfers are classified into transfers for the convenience of the company, transfers for the convenience of the individual. In both cases, the transfers may be temporary or permanent.